This is a very tricky Slither puzzle and I will show you how to solve it in this video. This puzzle was designed by Haym Hirsh and made by Nothing Yet Designs. Difficulty level of the Slither puzzle is 9 out of 10 on a Puzzle Masters difficulty scale that runs from 5 to 10. And the goal of the puzzle is to fit all 7 identical parts inside the frame, which will be quite difficult since the frame has a couple of restrictions. If you like the Slither puzzle and you want to buy it, go to puzzlemaster.ca and hit the subscribe button if you want to see more videos from Puzzle Master. And now I will show you how to solve the puzzle. So first of all, you have to take a close look at the frame and find those restrictions. There is a cutout right here in the transparent acrylic piece, but you won't be able to fit the parts through this cutout. You can actually try to bend some of the transparent pieces and fit the parts, but this will be against puzzle solving rules, no force. So don't do that. There are only 2 openings in the frame, one right here, another one right here, and you have to use both of them in order to fit parts inside. So how to put parts inside? First of all, we have to find the correct assembling, how the parts will be inside of the frame. So I have to put it in a correct way now, and then I'll try to explain you how it works. So I think it will be something like that, and yeah, that is exactly how the parts will be inside of the frame. And you start solving the puzzle. These 2 parts will be the last one to fit. Now we have to stick all these 5 parts inside the frame, which will be a little bit tricky. So you can start from any opening you like. You can do it from this one or from another one. This goes here, then you add one more piece. It goes right here. And I guess they will be something like that. Then this piece, I'm gonna put it down here and I have to rotate it here. That's good that there are cutouts in the frame, since they really help you to move the parts inside of the frame. Then this piece goes here, then another one goes inside of the frame. I might need to move some of the parts since I won't be able to rotate this piece. So this goes down, this goes to the right like that. Now I can fit, no, I'm not going to be able to fit the piece. Yeah, I can fit it here. Now if I move everything a little bit, I will be able to put this piece inside, then this piece goes up, and then I have just enough space for the last part. And that's how you solve the Slither puzzle. All parts are inside of the frame. There are no pieces in the openings, and that means that the puzzle is solved. If you like the Slither puzzle and you want to try some other great puzzles designed by Haym Hirsh or made by Nothing Yet Designs, go to puzzlemaster.ca.